Hi everyone. Today let us know about methods of cooking. This is part 3. Types of dry heat cooking methods. Dry heat method. Under that, roasting, grilling or broiling, baking, sauteing and frying. First, roasting. Roasting is a cooking method that uses dry heat where hot air covers the food, cooking it evenly on all sides with temperature of at least 150 degrees Celsius from an open flame, oven or other heat sources. Roasting can enhance the flavor through caramelization and Maillard browning on the surface of the food. Advantages. Advantage of roasting is that many vitamins stay in the food rather than being cooked away. Roasting food improves the texture of and deepens the flavor profile of what you are cooking. It takes advantage of the natural sugars inside the food and gives them a sweeter, more concentrated taste. Disadvantage. A disadvantage is that it takes a while for meat to roast thoroughly. Second, grilling or broiling. Grilling is a form of cooking that involves dry heat applied to the surface of food, commonly from above, below, or from the side. Grilling usually involves a significant amount of direct, radiant heat and tends to be used for cooking meat and vegetables quickly. Your grill should be 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for high, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for medium high, 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for medium, and 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for low heat. A properly heated grill sears food on contact, keeps the inside moist and helps prevent sticking. Advantages. Less fat is used. You eat less fat because the excess drips off the grits. Vegetables on the grill are better. Meat retains nutrients. Less butter is used. Disadvantages. When the high heat of grilling interacts with the protein in meat product, the result is heterocyclic amines, which pose a significant cancer threat. However, briefly microwaving meat before placing it on the grill decreases this risk. Third, baking. Baking process of cooking by dry heat, especially in some kind of oven. It is probably the oldest cooking method. Baking products, which include bread, rolls, cookies, pies, pastries, and muffins, are usually prepared from flour or meal derived from some form of grain. Internal product temperature. In most baking processes, the dough pieces are placed into the oven at an initial temperature of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The oven temperature is usually set constant at 150 to 300 degrees Celsius, and baking usually takes 5 to 25 minutes. Advantages. Baked foods are considered healthy because of their low fat content. Baked foods are versatile because they cook more in their own oil, making them more juicy and flavor rich. Baking, on the other hand, uses dry heat, thus preserving these minerals and vitamins like vitamin B and C. Baking foods are very appealing to both eyes and your mouth. Disadvantages. Certain processed such as boiling and steaming requires no use of fat, which is healthier and compared to baking as it requires some amount of fat. Also, baking tends to be a slower process as compared to cooking methods such as frying and boiling. Fourth, sauteing. The saute is to cook food over high heat, usually in butter or oil. Many recipes begin by instructing you to saute onions and garlic in olive oil. In French, the word saute means jumped or bounced, which also describes the way food jumps around the pan when you saute it. recipe has to start when the fat in the pan is approximately around 320°F, which in most cases is just below the smoking point for butter, lard, and the various cooking oils. Advantages. Sorting is advantageous over certain other methods of cooking as it is a very fast process. The amount of fat required is lesser as compared to deep frying. Disadvantages. Salty dishes do contain a certain amount of fat and are less healthy as compared to boiled or baked dishes. Fifth, frying. Frying is a method of cooking in which food is cooked in a bath of hot oil or fat, typically between 350 to 375°F, depending on the type of frying. Food is either partially or fully submerged in a fat until the food has turned golden brown with a crisp outer layer and moist interior. Frying the food cooking of food is hot fat or oil, usually done with a shallow oil bath in a pan over a fire or as so-called deep fat frying. And because the food is heated through a greasy medium, some authorities consider frying to be typically a dry heat cooking process. Advantages. It adds texture and yields the smooth and taste imparting feel that comes only from various oils and fats. Disadvantages. The process of deep fat frying is dangerous and requires special equipment and controlled environments. Next, types of combination cooking methods. Under that, braising. Braising, the cooking of meat or vegetables by heating them slowly with oil and moisture in a tightly sealed vessel. Braising differs from steaming, in which the food is immersed in liquid, and from covered roasting, in which no liquid is added. Braising is a combination of covered roasting and steaming. Advantages. It is economical. It creates more flavorous dishes. It provides a variety of meal preparations and presentations. Disadvantages. It takes a long cooking time. Food may have a lack of texture. It reduces the nutrient content of food. Thank you for watching.